Welcome to Casa de la Torre, one of Puerto Vallarta's most iconic history house, a fully restored architectural treasure, just a step from the Malecon, and now back on the market with a new price. As you enter, you're welcomed by a stunning private pool that sets the tone for a refined luxury experience. On the first level, the space flows seamlessly together. The main living room, spacious and filled with natural light, connect to an elegant bar and a dining area ideal for entertaining. The fully equipped kitchen features high-end appliances designed to inspire home cooking. This level includes a study with its own bathroom that can be used as a guest bedroom. along with a half bathroom for visitors. On the second level, there are 3 spacious bedrooms, each with a private full bathroom. The first bedroom offers direct ocean views, creating a serene and relaxing retreat. The second bedroom opens onto terrace and overlooks the property's amenities, perfect for enjoying the vibrant lifestyle of the home. The third bedroom combines privacy and elegance, with large windows that frame both the city and the bay, offering a unique balance of tranquility and connection to the surroundings. The third level is home to the crown jewel of the residence, the master suite. This exclusive space features a private TV lounge, a study, and a terrace with direct access to the tower lookout, where the most breathtaking views of Puerto Vallarta unfold. Every corner of Casa de la Torre has been throughout fully designed to offer comfort, exclusivity, and unique connection to both the ocean and the city. The master bedroom is expensive and sophisticated, complemented by an incredible walk-in closet that elevates everyday living into a luxury experience. Casa de la Torre is just 2 blocks from the famous Malecon, the city's oceanfront walkaway, where you can walk amongst sculptures, enjoy live shows, and experience Vallarta's vibrant atmosphere. Casa de la Torre is located in the very heart of downtown Puerto Vallarta, surrounded by the city's vibrant culture and culinary scenes. Just a step away, You'll find renowned art galleries that showcase the creativity and spirit of Vallarta, making the neighborhood a true hub of inspiration. The property is within walking distance of some of the city's most iconic restaurants, including Si Señor for authentic Mexican flavors, Pipi's restaurants for traditional favorites, and Barcelona Tapas for gourmet cuisine with panoramic views. When the sun goes down, Puerto Vallarta nightlife comes alive with vibrant bars, lounge, and authentic Mexican cantinas, just minutes from your doorstep. If you love this property or want to explore more exceptional homes like this, visit mexlife.com. Thank you for watching.